Hi, I'm Andy from Willow and Hobbs and I'm a professional furniture painter. Today I've been on a course with Jonathon Marc Mendes and for the Paint Pro. Covering a variety of different techniques that I've never tried before. So with one of which was the salt wash verdigris, which is a process of making a piece for wall art, so that would be absolutely fantastic for staging. One of the other techniques that we've used was reverse glass painting, so that was creating a picture with a stencil and using gold leaf and various other techniques to create something that actually turned out so beautiful. Amazing technique actually, that's definitely something I'm going to take away with me. Jonathon, his skills are incredible and just watching him work is just, it's inspirational, definitely. Another thing that today's been absolutely incredible for is being able to network, meet new people. Being a professional furniture painter is something that's quite a lonely job where we mainly all work in our own workshops, etc. And being able to share our experiences and the day together has been something that's been absolutely fantastic, and hopefully made some new contacts, new friends, shared our social media, and hopefully we'll keep in touch and maybe get together on the next Paint Pro Day.